Friends, my name is Soham. In this video, we are going to see how to add button, how to add color feedback to button element in code.org. So let's get started with our video. So first, I will go to Design tab and drag and drop a button, and then I will copy background color. So for copying it, I will press Ctrl C and let's go to code. Now first, I have to drag and drop on event, and here I have to select ID button. So next is I have to go to control and take set timeout and put it in on event block. So next 1 second is equal to 1000 milliseconds. So here I will only need 100 milliseconds. So let's go to UI controls again, and now I will search for set property. I have got it. ID will be button 2. I will select background color, and here we have to press Ctrl V. So our hexadecimal code is pasted here. Next we will need set property. I will put it here, and ID will be button 2, background color, and I will choose it blue. We can choose it according to our choice. So next is we will run our program. So now let's press on run tab. It's successfully working, we can see here. So now let's see our code in text block. So here we have show text button. I will click here. So here we get it in text. Let's understand our program. On event, when event will happen, button 2. When we will click button 2, set timeout. Set timeout. In that we have done set property. Set property button background color. The property of button background color. Now next we have pasted here the default background color of our button. So next we have made changes that we will make it as 100 milliseconds. We don't want it as 1000 milliseconds. Next again we have a set property and button 2 background color. So we can choose any background color here. I have chosen blue. We can choose it according to our choice. Thank you friends for watching my video, and any query in this video or my programs, you can ask query on my email. Email is given in the description of this video. Thank you. Keep in touch with my channel for more interesting videos.